What if I told you there's a second brain living inside your body right now, one that controls your mood, your focus, even how you handle stress? It's not science fiction, it's your gut. Welcome to Gut Health 101, your complete guide to the most underrated organ system in your body. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to feed your gut, boost your brain, and transform your health from the inside out. 95% of your serotonin, the feel-good chemical, is made in your gut, not your brain. Your gut also controls dopamine, cortisol, and 70% of your immune system. So, trust your gut? That's not a saying. That's neuroscience. Your microbiome, trillions of bacteria living in your gut, needs two things: probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live good bacteria. Think of them as reinforcements sent in to crowd out harmful microbes and restore balance. Top sources: yogurt, kefir, kimchi, miso, tempeh, kombucha, all at your local grocery store. But here's the thing, those probiotics need to eat too, and that's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are specialized plant fibers and compounds that your body can't digest, but your beneficial gut bacteria absolutely love. They're essentially fertilizer for your microbiome. Rich sources of prebiotics include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, especially slightly green ones, oats, apples, and chicory root. The more diverse your prebiotic intake, the more diverse and powerful your gut microbiome becomes. Now let's get into the 5 key nutrients that scientific research has shown are absolutely critical for a thriving gut microbiome. These are game changers, and the good news is they're all accessible and affordable. Number 1, dietary fiber, the undisputed MVP of gut health. Fiber feeds your microbiome, promotes healthy bowel movements, and reduces inflammation. The USDA recommends 25 to 38 grams daily, yet most Americans get only 15 grams. Load up on beans, lentils, whole grains, avocados, and broccoli to close that gap. Number 2, vitamin D. New research shows vitamin D directly regulates the composition of your gut microbiome and strengthens the intestinal lining, the barrier that keeps harmful compounds from entering your bloodstream. Sources include salmon, egg yolks, fortified milk, and most powerfully, sunlight. Over 40% of Americans are deficient, so this one matters. Number 3, zinc. This essential mineral is critical for maintaining the tight junctions of your gut wall, basically the microscopic seals that prevent your gut from becoming leaky. Zinc also supports immune function and reduces gut inflammation. Best sources: oysters, the richest source on earth, beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and cashews. Number 4, L-glutamine. This amino acid is essentially the preferred fuel source for your intestinal cells. It literally powers the gut lining. Research from Harvard Medical School has highlighted its role in gut barrier repair and reducing intestinal permeability. Found in bone broth, grass-fed beef, eggs, and spinach, it's especially powerful for people dealing with gut inflammation or recovery. Number 5, omega-3 fatty acids. These powerful anti-inflammatory fats directly influence the diversity and richness of your gut microbiome, and a diverse microbiome is a healthy microbiome. Studies show omega-3s increase beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Get them from wild-caught salmon, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, all staples at any grocery store. So here's your daily gut health blueprint. Simple, actionable, and backed by science. Start your morning with Greek yogurt and a green banana. You just hit probiotics and prebiotics in one shot. Add avocado or chia seeds to your lunch for fiber and omega-3s. Get 15 minutes of sunlight for vitamin D. Have bone broth or salmon for dinner. That's it. That's the formula. Your gut is talking to your brain right now, every single second. The question is, are you giving it what it needs to send the right messages? Start today. Your brain will thank you. Like this video if it changed the way you think about your health. subscribe for more science-backed content, and drop in the comments. What gut health tip are you starting with? We'll see you in the next one.